Hello guys, welcome to Tech Solutions. It's Augustine. So today I want to share a quick one with you. So how to program Centurion Nova remote to your Centurion D5 Smart. So in this case we have the 4 buttons Nova remote. This one comes with the machine. So to do that you need to connect your phone to the machine, and then let me show you how the remote looks like. This is a 4 button. You can have single button, 2 buttons, and 3 buttons. So this is a 4 button remote that comes with the machine. So these are included in the box, and they are 2. So this is how it looks like. And then in order to program them, you need to click on the remote. The screen is gone off. So you need to click on the remote on the buttons down the screen. So the second button. So next one you click on add, and then you see the various buttons with their functions. So you have to select whatever you want the remote to that particular button to do. So in this case you click on them and you select TRG, which is trigger, and then on the 4th button, in case you are using a 4 buttons remote, you click on the PED in order to open the gate small on a pedestrian opening. So after that, it will ask you to click on any button on the remote. So when you do that, it will open a screen for you, and there you can put in the name you want to use for the remote. In this case, I'm using factory remote 1 for the first remote, and then a factory remote 2 for the second one. So factory remote 1 and then you do the same thing with the next one. If you have more, you can put them all in. You just have to rename different names. Use different names on the remote. So so this is factory remote 2. So when you are done, you click on next, and then when you don't have any more remote, you just click on done, and then your phone will load the settings. It will send the settings to the machine, and then the machine will now install those settings, and then you can start using your remote. So here the remotes I've just programmed, and when you click on it, one of the names, you should see different options like renaming, cloning, disabling, and then deleting. So you can do other things just by clicking the name. So when you are done, you just go back to your main screen, and then you can start using your remotes. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one.